Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia.
Guys, let's just unpack on Senzo May. Just the highlights of what happened the whole week, especially on Friday when Ubalo started to be giving us affidavits that were actually commissioned after Mangena's testimony. Guys, are you like serious right now? Ubalo will never stop. They've told themselves that they're gonna convict those 5 people. But 7 are together. It's like Lalela, we have to collab. These people must remain in jail. Joe Bessa jail for nothing as it is now. Ngapa is gonna be continuing reading rubbish the whole day. Ubaloyi as the Afaginingani yake. Who advocated Ronnie Siband, who's been quiet for almost 2 months this time around. I was just like, when are you gonna perform? When are brothers? Yo, guys, like you see, in the light when it comes to Senzo May's case, we are still very far. We can't even stand up as defense, obviously. I mean, defense. But yeah, I don't know, guys, what you think about this passenger. Honestly, I mean, like, it's siyachithwa khona manje uGininda kulebele kuthwa no yes next week like uyimvula yini uGininda. Gininda must just calm, guys. Aqhubeke nokuzoqamba amanga akhe so that we can move on. Siconcentrate kwezinye izinto. Isikhathi siyahamba. And uRatha is busy uhoqa iskempe uri igwetshele sakini. What does that even mean? Like, I'm just like, uqalile wena nalezi skempe zakho that you always like ukhuluma izinto ama-snides on the sides like into childish. I get that ukuthi how he puts it uthi every information is important. It must be put on record. Everyone must know information yonke, every paper actually in this court is important. But I mean, there was no need for that comment. Hey guys, Ubaloyi has tried just about anything. Engekho right, sneaky. Like khona manje usilethela ohlobla no ntini athi ama affidavits abo. Like what must we do with that? Ngoba umnisi ufuna labo ntini bezela ecourt. Every time Ubaloyi uyilahlela phansi acabanga ukuthi uRatha uzothi okay, and then the defense was like, please no, that's not even going to happen, not in this lifetime anyways. Hey, Ubaloyi is like so sneaky, guys. Like sometimes ngiyazibuza ngithi, when is he gonna stop and be like, hey, you know what, actually mina ngilahlela ithawula, I'm done, ngathela. Can just people baboshwe benziwe noma yini nami ngiboshwe actually ngikathela ulibele ngimelana nabantu. Hayi Ubaloyi, guys, ayikho sami. And ezinye izinto, guys, we know how it is. I mean, the law, like, you have to follow certain procedures. You can't just nje wena uhle and be like, here are the affidavits. We've never even seen the masimazi ukuthi banjani labo ntini nalabo khloba labakhe. Hayi. U-advocate Thulani Mngomezulu uthe, listen wena Baloyi, you can't come here and dictate to us ngale ama-witnesses akho. Uyamazi ke umnisi does not sugarcoat things futhi ke naye omunye uyafana nje noMngomezulu uvela wasukuma wabahlanyela he did on Thursday uvela he raises his voice like yena izophuma erufini yalapha ecourt. Can you see how big that court is? Avela to umnisi hey wena please ungalinge don't try us ngasizami bese khuluma ngo prima facie ke bese kuthiwa no wena bhuti kusho uRatha, and uRatha was laughing. Hayibo, his teeth were outside, guys. I was like, this guy, why is he laughing? Ngoba lento like it's not even funny. That's when Mnisi stood up and he was like, please listen here. Akukho lutho. Abantu, those witnesses, they must come to court. Fune story after story. No stories. People must just come to court. Bazositshela kahle futhi vele umnisi has said it before ukuthi yena uyabafuna after sebonile ukuthi uSerewo ulibile Serewo is just like ufuna ukuyiprotecta yena akafuni he doesn't agree that guy to stuff like okay so mangena athi angazani naloyo muntu yebo we might have worked together and all of that but mina these are my findings mina ngathola inhlamvu kanjena this is what happened angifune ukwazi ukuthi ubani wenzani that's what ulibile zero came for there. So kufuna nabanye kontini ngoba hayibo umangena couldn't have just done this alone ulibele faka abantu hayi untini uHoba uFesa uFelion abantu abangaka. How guys, when is it going to stop? Kusaza nogininda khona lapha on top of all of this nalabo ntini basazoza uzobona we 10 years usefikile usenzo meyiwa ashona but i-direction asinayo ukuthi ngempela why are people not agreeing. And it's crazy how I was watching SABC during the week ubonke abantu bathi 375 guys, everyone was in the house sifuna labo bantu like what are you doing nontini nama-bullets and stuff ngoba naku you wanna pin accused number 3 ukuthi uyena isibhamu sakhe ingesona when we all know ukuthi sikabani isibhamu so lesiphinde into eyodwa. UBentley now is coming up with stories sokuthi yena is not in the condition to come and testify in court. Ozathi uRatha forever so ugula forever. Bamnikeze uRatha medical report yakhe ukuthi no ugula forever. And then obviously I mean they're not gonna tell us in court, you know how those things are, they are confidential into zokugula kwabantu guys. So uBentley basically uvele nje I'm sure wayela kudokotela wakhe waxalela mina I can't go to that court and samnida lo umuntu lo yana angithi uma ngena every time vele athi uBentley yonke into yakhe uChris Mangena so now useyagula lo baba uyinto egulayo nje ebuthwa nezibi basically. Oh yabona usenzo meyi wakuthwala bo futhi kakhulu umuntu osithwele kakhulu uma wakhe hayi senzo meyi was mother guys has seen it all. Like uyabuka ku-TV yathi I'm sure akasabuki guys, it's just like I'm done. Basidlalile labantu bayayazi lento abayidlalayo ukuyibona leyo nto leyo. So lo Bentley ke manje is like yena is not coming, uyagula and then ku-paragraph 1 kuyashiwo uyafunda ke uRatha sekhumulene ebuko guys. I'm just like uyafunda ukuthi no ku-paragraph 1 kuyashiwo like the condition emphethe le yenza ukuthi nokuthi angabona abantu angezi ngisho ecourt. Hayi futhi usijelile this guy ukutlayela ngeli ndawo angithi akhumula noStain it was the same thing. Into nje ehlangene nama-ballistics lamanga are these guns nalezi inhlamvu ezamanga. No, you never get anything proper, never, it will never happen. So he's like and he's not coming and it's like and then ngizongenzani kuyibo leyo nto. So it ended up with uMngomezulu saying that no, we need time to read those things. And it's actually a lot of stuff that Advocate George Baloyi added to say these are the new affidavits for people, not just Bentley. It's a lot of things. So Advocate Thulan Mngomezulu was like, no, actually, I'm the one that's gonna shut down the court. The other guys were like, no, it's fine. The other defense, Omnisi, they were like, no, it can happen. I'm sure in a day. Baloyi stood up and he was like, no, actually, we can do it today. Mngomezulu was like, no, we're coming back on Wednesday. In fact, mina ngivala i-court. Yavala i-court. uRatha didn't object, nothing. He was like, okay, sivalile, sizobuya Wednesday. Although it's a bit boring now and then. It's not even for us to make content as such. It's not even for us. It's more like usenzo meyi uchithelwa isikhathi akabonwa. Uyayizwa lento engishoyo. When are we going to give him ilokhuzana? When are we going to give him answers that he deserves? Let's postpone every day. You understand? Almost every week is a postponer. So Mngomezulu was like, no, actually, we need time to read those things. It's actually a lot of exhibits that we added now because of Usniki, Shady, George Baloyi. So Suzobuya Wednesday, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Ngithanda over.